Let's make a lantern for camp. I've got one here. Can you tell what the form is from? Yep, it's a drinking cup. Let's see what else we're going to need to make it. We're using tracing paper, some paracord, the cups with matching lids, permanent markers that go on almost anything, colorful brush pens, some tea lights that are battery operated, some scissors, a ruler, and a pencil, and we're ready to go. Now I've gone ahead and made a pattern that sits down in the cup. You can make your own, or you can hop over to the hands-on website and print this one off. It's pretty simple. It just folds up into a cone shape and drops into your cup. Then I went ahead and used a ruler to sort of mark out some lines along the pattern piece. This will be available too, because what you're going to do is put it under your tracing paper piece, trace it, and now you've got guides to make your bohemian pattern with. I've gone ahead and gotten one ready to show you right here. Now we're going to use these magical markers that go on almost anything to color our boho design. You can use triangles, dots, squares, squiggles. You can write your name. Pretty much anything you can imagine you can put on your pattern piece. The other cool thing about these markers are they're double-ended, so if you want more fine detail, you can use this end. The cool thing is the vibrant colors from these markers are going to show really well through the plastic cup. Now let's say you want more of a transparent look. Check out these brush pens. These are almost like you're drawing with watercolor. You can make swirls and twirls or whatever you want, and you can see right through them. So when the light shines through, it's going to show up really good. So now you've got a little bit of opaque and a little bit of transparent, and that's going to make for a really cool design for your cup. Now let's make a handle. All I've done is knotted 3 pieces of paracord together. And then you're going to braid the 3 strands together, really easy. And what you'll do is just braid the entire length, just the outside cords over the center cord every single time. It's handy if you have a friend that can hold this end for you as you braid. But this will give you a nice sturdy loop to hang or hold your lantern from. Now we're ready to put it together. When you get to the end, you're going to knot it as you did before, and then have a grown-up burn the edges or put a little glue on the ends so that they don't fray. So the next thing we're going to do is just wrap up this paper piece and drop it right on into your cup. You want to put the tapered end of the paper in first. Kind of pat it so everything's kind of touching the plastic. Then we're going to turn on our light and drop it right into the cup. Now, this is the fun part. You're going to take your braided piece, fold it in half, and then poke it right from the inside of the cup out where a straw would go. And now it can't come out. And then, so easy, we're just going to put the lid on the cup. Another idea, if you don't want to have a way to hang yours, is you can just drop a second light in, set it with the lid face down, and you can put it just like that. Let's take a look at this finished little cluster of lanterns. I can't wait for nighttime and I can turn these things on and just see them glow.